Welcome back to MotoTech Homes, your home for the latest Tesla news, EV updates, and the biggest changes hitting the industry. Model Y performance updates, V2L Adapter Rollout, employee discounts, Tesla's insane 1.99% financing, and the big one, should you buy now or wait? Let's dive right in. Tesla's first big announcement revolves around EV demand in 2025. For the first time in years, EV demand isn't just growing, it's shifting. Buyers now want cheaper EVs, longer range, faster charging. And practical features like V2L Tesla is responding fast. Production has been adjusted, pricing has stabilized, and Tesla is now focusing aggressively on making the Model 3 and Y the most affordable they've been in years. This shift is one of the reasons behind several incentives Tesla is launching this quarter. New referral program returns. Tesla has officially relaunched a brand new referral program, and this time it's far more rewarding. Here's what's included: free supercharging miles, discounts on accessories, service credits, and even FSD trial extensions. For owners, this means sharing referrals finally matters again. For buyers, it means more perks at delivery. This program alone has already increased orders for the Model 3 and Y by a noticeable margin. Tesla's $0 down return policy. One of the biggest surprises, Tesla has officially introduced a $0 down return window in select regions. What does that mean? You can order a Tesla, take delivery, test it. If you don't like it, you can return it, with zero penalty. Tesla is clearly aiming to end the year with a massive delivery count, and these incentives will help do exactly that. Supercharger pricing changes. For years, supercharger prices have been rising. But finally, Tesla is reducing charging costs in many areas. Why? Lower electricity costs, more efficient charging hardware. The newly opened Supercharger network shared with other brands. Tesla now has over 60,000 superchargers, and the company wants to stay competitive. Good news for owners. Charging in 2025 is officially cheaper and faster. Free Tesla service returns. Another shocker. Tesla is bringing back free service credits. This includes free tire rotations, free basic inspections, discounts on brake servicing, and reduced cost for battery diagnostics. This is a response to owner feedback and a way to improve overall brand satisfaction. It also makes long-term ownership significantly cheaper, especially for first-time buyers. Big FSD News 2025 has been huge for FSD. Tesla just announced more accuracy in roundabouts, better lane selection, smoother lane merging, faster city navigation, and improved highway handoff stability. Tesla is also rolling out FSD transfer return, meaning some owners may get the chance to carry their FSD package onto a new car. This is massive. And yes, FSD monthly subscriptions may soon get a lower tier option. Model Y performance updates. The new Model Y performance is already trending after Tesla revealed a more aggressive rear motor, new digital torque vectoring, faster 0 to 60 times, better cooling, new performance seats, sharper suspension feel, and slightly improved aerodynamic efficiency. This is being called the mini-plaid experience. The update puts the Model Y back at the top of the performance SUV category. New V2L Adapter Tesla is officially releasing the vehicle-to-load adapter, also known as V2L. This lets you power your home appliances, charge tools, run camping equipment, provide emergency backup power, charge e-bikes, scooters, laptops, all directly from your Tesla. This feature alone is turning the Model 3 and Y into practical, multi-purpose EVs. Employee discount. Tesla employees now get major discounts on the new Model 3 and Y. This includes lower purchase price, cheaper financing, free software trial perks, and priority inventory access. This is a sign that Tesla wants more cars on the road to boost long-term supercharger revenue and data collection for FSD. 1.99% financing returns. Tesla has brought back insanely low financing rates, as low as 1.99% on the Model Y and 3. This is one of the lowest APR rates available on any new car today. Combined with incentives, a new Model 3 or Y can be cheaper monthly than many used cars. Buy now or wait. So the big question, should you buy now or wait? Here's the simple breakdown. Buy now if you want incentives and low APR, you want the new updated Model 3 or Y, you want the $0 down return option, you want V2L and the latest performance improvements, you want the referral perks, wait if you're expecting a full new Model Y redesign coming 2026, you want the next-gen compact Tesla, or you want super early access to lower FSD subscription tiers. But overall, 2025 is one of the best years to buy a Tesla. Prices are stable, incentives are strong, financing is cheap, and the latest updates make the Model 3 and Y the most polished Teslas ever made. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into Tesla's newest updates for 2025. If you want more Tesla news, EV breakdowns, and future car content, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. More Tesla updates. This is MotoTech Homes, and we'll see you in the next video.